It's no secret that San Antonio has a large number of uninsured residents, including many working poor. Among this group, preventive medicine is sadly lacking. Much of the burden is falling on hospital emergency rooms, where up to 41% of visits are by non-emergency patients who can't afford to pay for a visit or who don't have a primary care physician. Worse yet, many uninsured fail to seek treatment for dangerous chronic conditions until they become a crisis. The Faith Family Clinic was started to address these issues, providing uninsured patients with a low-cost option for preventive care. The clinic was started by Jim Young with a $100,000 donation from Charlie Martin, chairman of Baptist Health Systems' parent company, Vanguard Health Systems, and saw 3,000 uninsured patients at its first location at 700 South Zarzamora. A second location next to Northeast Baptist Hospital opened in March, funded by the Baptist Health System.
We are probably one of the few places in town that a physician or a nurse can volunteer their services and give back to the community for all that the medical profession has given to them.
A lot of people who have no family doctor wind up in emergency rooms, and they often wait to seek medical help until it's too late, he says. We can provide preventive care and help stabilize conditions. The Faith Family Clinic, a true healthcare hero for reaching out to the community.